Once you remove them upper and lower springs, that antifreeze is from where I poured the antifreeze back in it. That's pretty simple. It took like a whole couple minutes to take that one side off. There's not a whole lot to it. A couple bolts here and there. Good way to check your cylinders out. Piston looks good. You can roll the kicker down and see if I can do it. Looks good. Same goes for this side. I mean, you just take your bolts out. There's nothing to this. One bolt. Another now here. Well, I figured I could get away with not having to loosen that up, but find my flat or Phillips head. There's the rear section. These pipes are pretty darn simple to take on and off. And I done removed the springs, so I got to take out that one bolt right there in the fender. Well, I thought I could get it out. Turn the wheel. And just like that, your stock pipes are out. Ready to install some FMF Fatty Gold Series. This will be the right cylinder on the Banshee. You can actually look from the bottom here and see your domes. You can still see the cross hatches. Looks good. Now, I've already put new green O-rings on both these head pipes. So we're going to go ahead now and start putting them on. Should look good in there. Alright, so this is pretty simple right here. The head pipe's just dummy fitted. Loosen that. Loosen your screw on your fender. New O-ring. Pull the fenders out, slide it in, slide it up on the head, and put your factory bolt back in. Don't tighten that all the way, because you want to make sure everything fits good back here. Now, if you didn't buy aftermarket clamps, you're going to have to reuse your factory ones, which there's nothing wrong with that. loosen them up. Slide them off. Just like that. Slide this on. And if you're like me, you're real meticulous, so you want to make sure you Phillips heads are laying out here where you can get to them easy. Then slide your FMF in. Get a better grip on that. That's about all there is to it. Line your hoe up. We'll get a boat. Oh, I forgot. I don't have my rubber insert. See if I can make something just for now. Tops on it. I just got them dummy fitted until FMF gives me some things. The rubber sleeves, aluminum sleeves, they're actually hitting the frame. The pods, I'm undecided on. I don't want to turn this into a bike where every time I splash through water like this one, I have to stop. Our box has a Pro Mod kit, but it's back together. It's full of gear oil, antifreeze is in it. V-Force 4 reeds, new OEM stator, South Texas Banshee wiring harness, plus the antifreeze on the cylinders, and there we go. There she does.